A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers team welcomes you to this video, and I'm very much glad to meet you all again in this video. And we are on another Sunday, and in this week we are going to see the agricultural current affairs between 24th of October to 30th of October 2021. Come on, let's get into the video and never forget to make notes. In first, our Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia launched Krishi Uddan 2.0 scheme to implement in 53 airports, under which cargo-related infrastructure will be built, mainly focusing on northeast, hilly and tribal regions, and likely benefited to the farmers because they aimed at opening new ventures of growth for agriculture sectors and also doubling farmers' income by removing barriers in supply chain and transport of farm produce. It facilitates the development of hubs and creates cargo terminals at the airports in a phase-wise manner. An online platform called eKushal, that is Krishi Uddan for Sustainable Holistic Agri-Logistics, would be developed to facilitate information dissemination to all stakeholders regarding transportation of agricultural produces. Coming to the next, the Government of India and Asian Development Bank inked $100 million loan agreement for Maharashtra Agri-Business Network, that is Magnet project, and this project envisages promoting agri-business network to boost farm incomes and reduce food losses in the state of Maharashtra. Added to that, ADB will provide a $5 lakh technical assistance grant from its Technical Assistance Special Fund and rupees 2 million from the Japan Fund for Poverty Reduction on a grant basis to improve market linkages for FPOs. Coming to the next, Sunfresh Agro Industries Private Limited in Maharashtra, operating under Global Dairy Major Lactalis, partnered with State Bank of India to extend financial support to the dairy farmers in the state. The loan from SBI helps the farmers to buy cattle that would produce higher quality milk, improve storage and supply chain, and the company is in the market with brand Parbat for milk and indigenous products. Coming to the next, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India launched a mobile application, Food Safety Connect, for the purpose of granting licenses or registration to food businesses. And this mobile app would be a one-place solution for food businesses, having all the relevant information from procedures related to compliance with the FSS regulations to laboratories and others. Coming to the next, our Union Agricultural Minister Shri Narendra Singh Tomar and Lieutenant Governor Shri Sinha virtually inaugurated Apple Festival in Kashmir on 28th of October, and Shri Narendra Singh Tomar appreciates agricultural development being done in Jammu and Kashmir, and our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi is making diligent efforts to increase India's reputation and credibility at the international level, said Shri Narendra Singh Tomar. Coming to the next, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare releases third advance estimates of area and production of horticultural crops of the year 2020-21, and a record of 331.05 million tonnes of horticulture production is observed in the country, and this is the result of farmer-friendly policies, the hard work of farmers and scientists, says Shri Narendra Singh Tomar. We can see the figures over here, and the area in 2019-20 final is said to be 26.48 million tonnes, and it is 27.59 million tonnes in third advance estimate of 2021, and the production is said to be 320.47 million tonnes in the final 2019-20, and it is 331.05 million tonnes in 2020-21 third advance estimate. In this, the production of fruits is estimated to be 103 million tonnes compared to 102.1 million tons in last year. Likewise, the production of vegetables is estimated to be 197.2 million tons comparing to 188.3 million tons in 2019-20, which is an 4.8% increase. And the production of plantation crop has been increased from 16.1 million tons in 2019-20 to 16.6 million tons in 2020-21, and the production of spices has increased by 5.3% from 10.1 million tons to 10.7 million tons in 2020-21. Coming to the next, our Union Minister for Agriculture, Shri Narendra Singh Tomar, addresses National Conference on International Year of Fruits and Vegetables, which is 2021, as announced by United Nations. And Agricultural Ministry has identified 10 globally popular exotic fruit crops and 10 important indigenous fruit crops for promotion. 8,951 hectares area for exotic fruit crops and 7,154 hectares for indigenous fruits will be brought under cultivation during the current year, says Shri Narendra Singh Tomar, and he also added that India is the second largest producer of horticulture crops, producing about 12% of the global fruits and vegetable production. Coming to the final thing, our Ministry of Food Processing Industries, in association with NAFED, launches Delhi Bakes, the first one district, one product brand under Pradhan Mantri Formalization of Micro Enterprises Scheme. And with this, we are winding up. I hope the video will be very much useful to you, and never forget to make notes. It will be helpful for your revision purpose, and do share to your maximum if you like the video. Thank you for all your supports, and never forget to give a thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you and see you all again.